Don't come so close to her plants.
Look around it. I didn't put my
Yeah, but you went really close. Now what?
I didn't put my card on wall.
No, that's not rocks. Back up, back up. No, no, no.
The card has to go on the dirt.
It does not. You said rocks.
Walk.
That's not dirt. Rocks. There's a difference.
Down.
That's dirt.
The card's going dirt.
I don't want him in the dirt. Because I don't want you getting dirty yet.
The card's going walk.
Okay. I'm so close to the dirt still. Where'd that come from?
It's coming there.
Okay.
This car.
But where are you going to put it?
In my tractor.
Okay.
Look around. Probably me go play. I'm gonna play, Mama.
Okay. Don't get dirty. Stay out of the dirt. I see you touching it.
Find this big rock.
Whoa. That is a big rock. What are you going to do with that?
I'll put it in the tractor.
But maybe they don't want you to take their rocks. Put it back.
I was gonna take a photo.
No, it's their rocks. You can't take their rocks.
Girl.
No, you can't. It's theirs.
Fine.
Yay! He honked at you.
That window down.
Yes, he did.
Yeah, hamper. There's a window down.
Yes.
Can't go to
So
it.
glad I was videotaping that.
Can't turn on the door.
Everybody knows this kid. Not supposed to be in the dirt. Do you know I
What?
said don't play in the dirt?
No, the car's gone back.
Oh yeah, but you're in it too. I'm gonna watch your hands are gonna touch that dirt. I just know it.
Car's back
I know.
up. Baba.
I'm watching.
Baba's on the glass.
Oh, there's lava. Better not touch it.
He's in Baba. The car don't want to touch.
No,
Don't get close to the car.
I know.
Cars have to go down along the sidewalk.
Okay.
We back up. Cars be back up. Cars have furry. Go to dark. On the car. That's car stop.
Oh no. And you don't have your tow truck. Whoa, don't
Stuck.
get him stuck.
It's backing up. Let me go forward. Let me go on this side.
Say, I'm going on this side.
Let me go down this
No,
side.
I'm going on this side. I'm. Or I am. I am going on this side.
This guy's going on this side.
Yeah?
He needs to go on grass.
Yeah, he really does.
Yeah. He can wait on bubble on dirt. I put water. Water's going to sink in the bubble. The water's stored. I need a fire truck. Put in.
Uh-oh. Pop-Up better put your fire truck together.
Yeah, put stored water.
Then you could go home and get your fire truck.
Yeah.
Boy, you can't. Yeah, it's not together.
It's in a box.
I know it is. You gotta tell Pop-Up to put it together.
It's down there.
What's down there? That's the water meter.
Stop and see it.
Yeah, remember the guys that work for the city? In the city trucks?
Yeah,
They open those up and they read what our water bill is.
I want to see.
No, we can't see, only they can see.
football on it. One is fireman. The guy's going up the wind.
Try to stay clean, please. Seems to be doing a very good job.
Hop back up.
Usually by now, this boy is just
Back up
Big
out
pen.
the dirt.
dirty, dirty. Placed in the dirt every day. How many cleanings a day? I couldn't say. It's more than I can count on two hands.
He's going down the bridge. He's going on the grass. Only the guys go on the walks. Only these cars go on the dirt and walks and cars. The car is going down the hill. Don't need hill. It's still going. It's making a hill.
You see
Out
that?
dirt. The car's gonna fall in the hole.
Whoa.
Car fell in the hole.
See if you had your tow truck now.
Tow truck's ready here. The
Oh.
crane's here picking it up.
Oh, the tow truck's in the house.
No, the crane picked it up.
We're not even at home.
No,
We're at a neighbor's house.
it's still out of this guy's house.
At Yossi's house.
Yeah, just don't. It's still
Whose house?
Oce's house.
That's right. And she told you could play here, huh?
The car's still flipped over.
Uh-oh,
Back-
you lost your spare tire.
Put it back on.
Okay. There you go. Good job. Uh-oh, here comes the dump truck. Those concrete trucks. Look, here comes the garbage man.
No, didn't put the window
He didn't
down.
see us because he was on the phone, huh?
Says, didn't put the window down.
That's right.
Supposed to.
That's all right. He's supposed to. That's all right. The concrete man did, and the city worker did, and who else?
Birdman.
Yes.
Oh no. That happened. It's going to happen in the car. It's going to get stuck in the dirt. Spirit.
Oh, he is stuck.
Car stuck.
Uh-oh. You touched the dirt with your fingers. Do you know what that meant?
What?
Get out of the dirt.
The car's stuck.
Whoa. Hey, now you're touching your neck and you're getting it all over. Then you're going to touch your face and you're going to start getting dirty everywhere. Go get in your tractor. Let's go.
No, it's still there.
No, you're going to take a time out of the dirt. Come on. No, you're touching the dirt and you're getting dirty.
The car's going to stay there.
Well, what if somebody takes it? What?
I'm chilling on the hill.
You're just going to wait there for timeout?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look, there's my daddy's truck.
I see.
That's my daddy's truck.
No, Daddy's truck is black. That looks like Uncle John's truck. It's red.
Sam, don't have trailer on him truck.
No, John doesn't have a trailer. Where you going now?
Way back.
Is timeout over?
Yeah.
Well, I think we need to discuss it, don't you? Look at me. Stop. Look. Are you going to put your fingers in the dirt again?
No.
Excuse me. Look at me. What?
There's gonna be a
Are you
car
going to put your fingers in that dirt? No, no. Where are you supposed to put that?
on this side.
That's right.
There's gonna be a car wash.
Okay. He needs a car wash.
The cars need car wash.
Yeah, it does.
Car's broken in the dirt. The fixer guy's fixing it.
Yes.
It's going to check in this side. Don't want him face on this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this. On this seat. This is a seat. This is 2 seats. 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10. This is a seat. Mama, see this seat? See this seat, Mama? See this seat?
I see that. And it holds how many? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, babe.
Say hi, Dominique.
Hi, Dominique.
No, don't wreck me.
Car's ripped over.
Now you're gonna have to take them home. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, look at your fingers. I knew I should have brought wipes. We were only going for a tractor ride.
Dad, do you have wipers right
I don't have wipes here. And I don't want you getting all dirty because we're going Bubba's. Put that down. That's not yours. Don't pick stuff up that's not yours, please.
No, it's how to
No. Let's get your Jeep. Put it in your tractor.
It's how to flip over.
Okay. Let's go for a ride.
Car's how to flip over.
Okay.
My tractor's so dirty.
Oh, I know. See if it crashes into the cactus again. Uh-oh.